Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to export or get private key from BullX NEO. So first thing you're going to need to do is just visit their official website and then log into your account if needed. If you don't have an account, you can make one. Then once you're in, you just have to go to the left side. Here you will see a wallet icon, so you just have to tap on that. And it's called the wallet manager. So just tap on that one and you will see this once you have tapped on that. So these are your wallets in this account. So after that, just tap on that new and then plus sign at the top and tap on wallet. Now once you tap on that, you will see this wallet right here. This is the new wallet that we've added in this account, and you can see a yellow key beside that. So that means it has a private key. So from the top, you will see this private key. So just tap on that. And then this will pop up after you tap on that. So you just have to copy this private key and then just tap on next after that. And once you have copied the private key, just go to your wallet, which is the Phantom. We're going to be using it. And then just type here your password to enter your Phantom wallet. Now once you're in, just tap on your profile at the left corner and then you will see this plus sign at the very bottom. So once you tap on that, you will see this import private key. We're gonna click on this one, and from here you just have to type in the name and then paste the private key that we've copied earlier. And once you're done, just tap on import, and that's basically it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!